Hi friends, today I've come with an amazing dessert recipe which can be whipped up very easily with simple ingredients available in the kitchen. This pudding is so delicious and it's very easy to make this. So to make the dessert, first we have to take 50 grams of butter, melt it in a saucepan. Into that we'll add 60 grams of atta or whole wheat flour. Stir for some time till the flour and the butter gets mixed well, and add 600 ml of milk little by little, stirring continuously. Stir it continuously so that it doesn't stick to the bottom. Into this we'll add 120 grams of sugar and stir continuously till it becomes like a porridge. It becomes thick like this. Till this consistency we have to cook. Into this we'll add a pinch of salt. Stir it well and switch off the flame. After that we'll add half a teaspoon of vanilla essence, and we'll beat this porridge nicely so that the consistency becomes very smooth, and we'll pour it into a pudding dish and keep it in the fridge for about half an hour for it to set. Now into a bowl, let us add 2 teaspoons of corn flour. You can add up to 3 teaspoons of corn flour, and take half cup of water and mix it well. Now into a pan we'll take 3 tablespoons of sugar and melt it till it caramelizes. We should see that it doesn't become too dark. When it starts frothing like this, into this we'll add 1/4 cup of water and mix it well. Now let us add the prepared corn flour and water mixture and cook it. Now it looks milky. Now we have to cook it till that milky white color, till the white color disappears and it becomes transparent like this. Till this consistency we have to cook the caramel. Once the caramel cools down a little, pour it on top of the first layer of our pudding and refrigerate for 2 to 3 hours. And our delicious dessert is ready. Hope you will try out the recipe. The pudding can be decorated according to your choice. Here I have used some cashew nut pieces. Hope you liked the recipe. Thank you for watching. Take care. Stay safe. Bye.